We can use a Venn diagram to visualize the problem. Since 10 students liked both apples and bananas, 60 minus 10 is equal to 50 students liked only apples. To find f(16), we substitute 16 for x in the function f(16) equals square root 16 plus 4. Since square root 16 equals 4, f(16) equals 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. A 30-60-90 triangle has side ratios of 1, square root 3 to 2. Since the hypotenuse is 10 units, the side opposite the 30-degree angle is half the length of the hypotenuse, which is 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5 units. We can use a Venn diagram to solve this problem. Let M represent the set of students who enjoy watching movies and B represent the set of students who enjoy reading books. We are given that M equals 120, B equals 80, and M intersection B equals 60. The number of students who enjoy only watching movies is 120 minus 60 is equal to 60. The number of students who enjoy only reading books is 80 minus 60 is equal to 20. The total number of students who enjoy at least one of these activities is 60 plus 20 plus 60 is equal to 140. Therefore, 200 minus 140 is equal to 60 students enjoy neither. The area of a rectangle is found by multiplying its length by its width. Therefore, the area of this rectangle is 12, 5 equals 60 square centimeters. We can simplify the function by factoring the numerator, f(x) equals x plus 2, x2 / x2. Since x is not equal to 2, we can cancel out the x2 terms, leaving us with f(x) equals x plus 2. Therefore, f(3) equals 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. To solve for x, we substitute 48 for f(x) in the given equation, which yields 48 equals 8 square root x. Dividing both sides of this equation by 8 yields 6 equals square root x. This can be rewritten as square root x equals 6. Squaring both sides of this equation yields x equals 36. Therefore, the value of x for which f(x) equals 48 is 36. The area of a circle is given by the formula a equals pi r superscript 2, where r is the radius. Substituting 5 for r, we get a equals pi 5, superscript 2 equals 25 pi. To solve for x plus y, we can add the two equations together. Adding the left-hand side of the first equation and the left-hand side of the second equation yields 3x plus 2y plus x, y, equals 4x plus y. Adding the right-hand sides of the two equations yields 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Thus, 4x plus y equals 11. We can rewrite the first equation as x equals 10 minus 2y divided by 3. Substituting this into the equation 4x plus y equals 11 gives 4, 10 minus 2y divided by 3, plus y equals 11. Simplifying, we have 40 minus 8y divided by 3, plus y equals 11, or 40 minus 8y plus 3y divided by 3 equals 11, or 40 minus 5y divided by 3 equals 11. Multiplying both sides by 3 gives 45y equals 33. Subtracting 40 from both sides gives -5y equals -7. Dividing both sides by -5 gives y equals 7/5. Substituting this value of y into the equation x, y equals 1 gives x 7/5 equals 1, or x equals 12/5. Therefore, x plus y equals 12/5 plus 7/5 equals 19/5, or 3.8. Of the choices given, 5 is closest to 3.8. Substituting x equals 3 and y equals 2 into the expression, we get 3 plus 2 equals 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. To solve for x, we can factor the quadratic equation, x plus 5, x3 equals 0. For this equation to equal 0, either x plus 5 equals 0 or x3 equals 0. Solving for x in each case, we get x equals -5 or x equals 3. The y-intercept of the graph is the point where the graph intersects the y-axis. This occurs when x equals 0. Substituting 0 for x in the equation f, x equals 3x superscript 2 5x plus 2 gives f, 0 equals 3, 0, superscript 2 5 0, plus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, the y-intercept of the graph is 0, 2, and the y-coordinate of the y-intercept is 2.